What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Bitcoin. Good morning to each and every one of us. And right now, we could see Bitcoin has been volatile, but in as much as Bitcoin has been volatile, it has still been as stable as ever, regardless of the fact that we are having some, turbulence here and there in the market. But the market is still very stable. Bitcoin is still very much stable, regardless of the fact that it is volatile. So you could see right here that ever since we broke out of this resistance from the weekly time frame, you can easily understand what I'm talking about right here. So you could see we broke out of this resistance right here at 79,500. So I think from the weekly time frame, it's left for us to find support around this level as 79,900 level, because once we find support around here, we are most likely going to be rallying all the way into 84,000 upward. So I think this is definitely to be expected. Some little pullback here and there is to be expected. Where things might probably get out of hand is when we end up seeing that, okay, we've broken below this major support right here, and we are most likely retesting to drop even further. So I think this is definitely where we will have to be more worried about, okay, Bitcoin dumping even much lower to as low as $70,000. So currently right now, we could see that Bitcoin also has broken major resistance. So nothing much has changed right here, other than the fact that you could see clearly right here that we have not broken major resistance, in as much as we have tested the 200 daily EMA. You could see we tested it. We've gotten rejected from there. We'll probably find support around here before rallying much higher. So I think this is definitely what we should consider to play out. So for now, this is definitely what we should have in mind right now. We have majorly found support around here at 79,800 level. So it's either we find support around here at 80,300 before rallying much higher to $87,000 according to this chart. So the last chart right here, you could see is clearly us struggling to break above major resistance right here. You could see we haven't been able to break above this resistance at 81,300. So which, my analysis for this still hasn't changed, because it's either we get rejected from here below this major support right at 81,300 and dump all the way down to 78,000, all the way down to $76,000, and we probably find support and rally much higher, or worst case scenario, we drop even much lower to 74,800, consolidate within this range, even drop as low as 73,000 before rallying much higher. Either of this will most likely be the case. So I think I will definitely be here to keep us up to date with what to expect right here for Bitcoin. Looking at the indicators right here, which I use, which as you can see right here, the USDT dominance is still very, very much is looking strong, but I don't think it will be looking strong for long, because we're still in a downtrend. We are still in a downtrend. That hasn't changed, because if I should take all of this away from here, you could see it clearly that we are still in a downtrend. Even if we try running all the way to 7.2%, if we're going to be breaking out, I doubt we're most likely going to be heading even much lower to 6.77 cents. So that's just majorly what I think will play out. And for crude oil right here, crude oil has broken out, as we can see. Crude oil has broken out, and with the look of things from the 4 hours time frame right here, it seems to be finding support around here. You could see it broke out, found support, and we're most likely running all the way into $103 again. If we're going to be breaking above $103, we definitely need to break out, and we could rally even much higher, or we could end up getting rejected from $103 all the way down to $90, which I don't know if we're going to be breaking below $90, or we are probably going to be consolidating for another rally towards the upside. The S&P 500 opened bullish yesterday, though we're kind of heading down, but I don't think we'll be heading down for long, because based on what I can see right here, the S&P 500 is doing very well. You could see respecting this trend line for a while, and we could end up dropping all the way down to $7,398 before rallying even higher. Where things might be can be crazy is if we end up breaking below this support retesting, and we see ourselves dumping all the way down to $7,177. So I think that is definitely all I can say for now. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends, guys. Have a wonderful day. Peace out.